So several of our dashboards have our signature link feature, and this feature is designed for any of the setups to have sequential tabs. So as an example, this is our student gradebook. Down here at the bottom, I've got tabs student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And those tabs directly link to the student roster, which is a table. So the link feature is a tool that will allow you to very quickly link or unlink all the data set from one of these sequential tabs to the data table, and effectively will link or unlink that data set from your dashboard data, your charts, etc., or even some other tabs in the workbook, depending on what setup you have. So the homeschool, the dashboard, the real estate flip, those kind of tools all have this similar setup, but the functionality, it removes it from the table, but the tabs and the dashboard and what it pulls from might be slightly different. So if I'm coming back as an example, so I'm going to go again. So if you look at, so in this data table, the very first tab, student 1, and I'm pulling information in from the tab. And you'll see it says where I'm missing information, it says update student tab. Now, all these other ones that don't have an existing tab in the workbook, so beginning student 6, it says add new student tab. So it knows there's no tab exists. Up here it says update the ones it does. But if I go to student 1, where it says link to dashboard here, this is our link feature. So if I just hit no and I unlink it, it's going to stop pulling information into this tab. As well, if I go to the roster, now it's going to say link student tab. So the tab is there, but it just says link it. So it's not pulling any information from it. And at the same time, if I go to the dashboard, those charts and the data that would have been affecting your charts is now gone. So it backed it out of the data set. And just as quick, so I can go back and relink that. And for the grade book, if you got a student halfway through the course and you want to pull the data, they're leaving school, and you want to have the history, but you want to pull the data from your performance, you can very quickly do that. The debt dashboard, it pulls into your debt strategy. The real estate flip pulls into your profits, and so it's a very neat feature. It works really well. Play with it some. It's gonna, the effect it's gonna have is a little different in each tool. But that's basically it. If you got any questions, shoot us a message. Thanks for watching.